live. Okay. Hi! Ayan. Hi, Senrai! Sexy ba? Anong sexy dun? Hi! Zaltz! Zaltz! Wala ngang outfit! Mga anak ng tipa ka. Hi! Marshmallow!
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Paano ba kiligin ang isang Ninini? Paano ba kiligin si Ninini? Paano ba ang kiligin? Well, sa pagkakaalam ko, kung nandyan yung crush ko, or nanonood, or nakikita ko yung crush ko, paano ba ang kiligin? Sige, kunwari nandyan si crush. Seryoso, ano sabon mo? Snail White. It's a whip soap. The fuck? Basta Snail White, no, not like, Snail White, basta Snail White na sabon, then after is, tas ito na lotion, ito na lotion after mo magsabon, and then, nagmi-maintain ako ng gluta, kilig, after, wait lang, hindi pa nga tayo tapos sa paano kiligin si Ninini. Napunta ka na sa paano nasarapan, tangina nito ko. Bolero ka talaga, Kayla, kahit kailan. Wait lang, paano ba kiligin si Ninini? Ay, paano ba?
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.
Hindi ba kayo sa akin kiligin? Putang ina naman. Paano kasi kiligin? Hindi ko na kasi naranasang kiligin, guys. Wait lang.
Okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really want.
Ganda ng bangs mo. Hala, thank you. Sa ihi na lang ako kinikilig. Save you, parang iihi ka. Tapos biglang, yung batok mo. Gaganyan ka na lang. Kasi parang, ewan ko ba, basta, yung parang, umaano yung batok mo pag umiihi ka. Aba, nakakabaliw ka talaga. Hala, ba't naman mabaliw? Kuya, wag kang mabaliw, kuya. Paano ba masarapan si Ninini? Oh my God. Are you for real? Tinatanong niyo talaga ako ganyan. Actually, normal lang naman ako masarapan. Ano lang, silent mode. Pag ginujugjug na ako sa kama, nakaganyan lang ako. Ganyan lang. Shit. Babe, go deeper. Hi! Hi, MC! Ganda na pag nalalive ka. Huwe, totoo ba? Di sa joke lang. Tanga! Hindi ko papakita yan. Exclusive lang yung ko. Exclusive lang yung face ko pag nasasarapan. It's not for the public eye to see. Para lang sa ko. My one and only. Okay? Ay na, grabe naman yung silent mode, no? Imagine, nagsisex kayo ng partner mo, tapos tahimik lang kayong dalawa. Putang ina, maghiwalay na kayo. Silent mode. Kakahiya, ang awkward yan. Mas okay pa siguro pag tumawa kayong dalawa habang nagjujugjugan. Nakamute. Hi! Hi! Sigawan ba dapat intense? Oo! Dapat sigawan para masaya. Yung, Yung pag ganyan na, yung ano na, yung ang lalim na nahinga, yung ganon na yung hininga, ganon. Parang magigising na yung mga kapitbahay. Ganon dapat. Hay, yung parang hinahabol ka ng pulis. Ganyan na dapat. Bawal sa akin yung tahimik. Okay? Hay, kalungkutan. Oo, yung iiyak na. Hi! Naka-airplane mode. Hi, anong style ang paborito mo? Anong style? Yung hingal kabayo. I can't change clothes because I find these clothes quite comfortable, and actually ngayon ko lang to nasuot tong damit na to for almost a year na. Before, grabe, ano to, ang luwag-luwag nito sa akin before. Tapos ngayon, sakto lang. Please, just let me wear this clothes. Hi! Oh, thank you so much. Nang bra ka ba? Hindi, walang bra. Wala naman akong dede. Flat naman ako. So, di ko kailangan ng bra.
Hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Hi! Ba't mo iniipit? Ang alin yung itlog mo? Anong gusto mo? Ipitin na ng itlog mo? Hi! Sa Dax Idol. Okay, to answer your question honestly, well, hindi ko naman sinasabi na mahilig talaga ako sa Dax. I mean, yung sakto lang yung talaga, okay na. Pero pag Dax yung dadating sa akin, why not? God bless the Lord, amen. Hi, babae ka ba? Hindi po, may titi po ako. 6.5 inches pagtulog, tas pagising 9 po. Pag sampalin kita nitong titi ko, na kasing tigas ng Aqua Flask, matutulog ka ng 3 months. Ulit-ulit ah. Unli ba kayo? Unli? Hi!
But some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still
Taray mo. Aba, dapat lang. Anong gusto mo? Hinhin? Bonak? Sampalin ko bunbunan mo eh. Hi!
feel I have purpose, it's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's
Hi, Nelly! Hi, Nelly. Excuse, ilang taong ka na? Hi, Ron. I am Jana Sevilla, Cebu, 19 years old, single. Hi, mukha ko kayo 16 lang. No! I am 19! Oh my God! Hi, Tana! Hello, thank you, Hellboy. Ang cute ng accent mo. Anong accent?
wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I guess
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Single or taken? Married.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Hala, Kevs! No worries. Okay lang. Okay na okay lang. Iyakin ka ba? Depende kung ano yung makakapagpaiyak sa akin. Isa lang naman yung iniiyakan ko. Ay, kusa lang naman ako umiiyak. Hi, Mr. Feb. Ha? Hi! Ano yon? Secret para Bibo.